What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So what we got here, man, is we've got two sealed cases. All right. So I know what's inside them. I just don't know which ones are which. But anyways, let's actually do this one first because it's closer. So we've got HBL96, which is the same one on this case right here, but the letter right here is different from the letter right here. We have 956L, we have 956N. And if you guys know what it is, these are sealed cases of the same thing, contains 8 items. These would be the 2-pack cars for Target. So why don't we go ahead, open this one up, and see which one is the end case. So, 8 of the same thing, and I already know what these are. So anyways, man, I decided to buy 8 of these because some people on Facebook liked what these are. So right off the bat, we have the Nissan 240SX, the S14, and we have the Nissan Silvia, the S15. These things are incredibly detailed. They look very, very nice. And I think these things are awesome, to be honest with you. So I have reserved 4 of them, and that means I have 5 left. Now, how in the world do I get 4 and 5? That equals 9, but there's 8. I had bought one for myself, and I said, you know what? I'm probably going to end up with one anyways. So I said, why don't I just try and reserve all 9? I've reserved 4. I've got 5 left. If you guys want to reserve one of these, go to my Facebook, Johnny's Diecast Corner YouTube, and you can reserve one on a post for these 2-packs. I am selling these $15 each. At the shows, they're going to be $20. So I'm going to take 1 or 2 to the shows, and those are going to be $20 each. Why don't we actually just check these cars out, man? These are Real Rider tires. These are metal base, of course. We have the premium wheels, and I think this one's probably my favorite because I'm a sucker for black wheels, man. Check this thing out. Very nice choice in wheels. We have the printed headlights. You've got the tint windows. So that's black tint right there. And we are looking incredibly nice. Very well detailed. These, I believe, came out last year. In this set, you have the Nissan Primera, the Nissan R390 GT1, the 69 Copo Corvette, the custom Corvette Stingray Coupe. And honestly, I think these ones are probably the better ones, not because they're Nissans, but just because I do like these drift cars. I think these things are very, very nice, very iconic, and they are just very notorious for the sport drifting. So that being said, I like it. I'm probably going to keep one, but if you guys want to reserve one of those for $15, head to my Facebook page and be sure to tell me you want one of those Nissan 2-packs. Anyways, let's move on to the L case. All right, we're going to break open the L case right now. Now, I know what these are, and I do like these 2-packs as well. I don't think they're as popular as the Silvias, and that's okay, man. Hey, I like what I like. Ghost, hold my knife. We got Mr. Ghost over here. He's gonna hang on to the blade. No Shepherd today, so we don't have to worry about that. But anyways, these are all 8 pieces of the same thing. And we have the Mazda Miata, or Mazda Speed Miata. It's a 2004. Check out the color, man. This is what I like to see, man. This beautiful metallic paint. Look at those flakes inside. We've got the gold wheels on it, the printed headlights, of course. But check out the interior, man. This is what I like about it. So we've got the black interior, and we've got the red, looks like roll bars. Not necessarily roll bars, but stabilizer bars. On the back, we have full details, looking very, very sweet. And then next to the Mazda Miata, we have the Mazda RX-7, the FC Pandem, looking looking very nice in white. This thing is a very iconic car. It's very nice indeed. I definitely do like it. It has got an attitude problem, and that's okay, man. This thing is beautiful. We have a wide body kit on it. We've got this forced air intake on the hood. It's not quite cowl, but we'll just call it forced air, ram air. Printed taillights, again, that's okay. We have metal base right there. You can tell we've got another metal base right here for the Miata. These things are very special. I definitely like them, and I got them for you guys. I might end up keeping one for myself, and that's okay. Now we flip on the back here, and we have our rally cars, and we've got our exploration vehicles, which I think it's a nice variety, to be honest with you. Now, I do like this 2-pack right here. The reasons why, I do like the van, and I do like the Land Cruiser. As for these, I do like these as well. I do like the Cosworth, and I think these are incredible rally cars. They really are. So I might actually buy that 2-pack anyways. So I might save these for my Facebook auction and my Whatnot auction. These things are incredible, man. I definitely like them. To anyone that did reserve the 2 cars right here, I'm going to put these aside. These are going in your box, and I definitely do like them. Hot Wheels Premium, Car Culture, and they come out with some really nice stuff, man. And these things are very, very hot, in my opinion. And especially that Mazda Miata. I don't think we're seeing enough of the MX-4. Is that what it was? No, 2004 Mazda Miata. So it's actually nice to see that this car is kind of making a comeback. And of course, the RX-7 is unbelievable. We haven't seen this car since Silhouette set. And I think before that, it was the Ronin Run set, which I do have. Seeing these 2 Silvias or 2 Nissans right here is wicked nice. They actually did a really good job with these cars, and I definitely do like them. Anyways, that is all the time I have for you guys today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do this real quick. I am going to Toycon this weekend in Manchester, New Hampshire. I will leave the information at the end of the video. I will also be at Double Play Hobby and Consignment for their annual barbecue or their event that they do. And I'm also going to be a vendor with that. So if any of you guys want to see me, hang out with me, chit-chat, talk shop, that's where I'll be. So anyways, that being said, I'm going to go. Collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.